You need to increase your credit score fast in the next 30 days because you need that new apartment, or maybe you need a vehicle, or maybe you're looking to buy a home for you and your family. And with a primary trade line, this can help increase your credit score. And with this video, we'll show you a trade line that you can get up to $25,000. And the great part, it won't require a credit check. Now, if you're new to my channel is designed to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit your notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Now, at my website, I give you a free hard inquiry removal package because hard inquiries can get you denied for credit. Also, I have other packages for purchase to remove your negative items. I have also started my one-on-one coaching. So if you guys want to sign up, here's some testimonials so you guys can see some results. I will leave the link in the description of the video in the pinned comment section for the packages and the sign up for the consult. So let's jump into this video. Now, Stellify is a company that is dedicated to help you increase your credit score by helping you build great payment history and reporting an unsecured line of credit to your credit report. So when you make on-time payments with Stellify, it helps you with your payment history, which is 35% of your credit score, and with your utilization, because it can report up to a $25,000 line of credit. And if you're under a 700 credit score, by adding on an unsecured line of credit, it can increase your credit score on average by 50 points without removing one negative item. Now, with Stellify, you're improving factors that make up 80% of your credit score. And the great part, there's no credit check, no interest, and no security deposit, you guys. So with this, it helps you with your age of credit, utilization, and payment history, which is making up 80% of your credit score. Now, Stellify build your credit score by using your bills like your utilities, your rent, and your streaming services to help improve your credit. Now, first, you'll get your free credit report. You'll view your current credit score and access your detailed credit report just by creating an account. Then, secondly, you'll add and pay your bills by making automatic bill payments using your Stellify virtual bill pay card. Next, we'll report on-time payments to the 4 major credit bureaus each month. Then, build your credit score is the third part of it. See your credit score increase while we build your payment history and optimize your credit utilization and more. Now, what makes Stellify unique as a self-reporter type of trade line, it actually reports to 4 of the major credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, and Innovis. Also, they optimize your credit utilization by reporting a high limit, which can reduce your utilization and increase your credit score. Now, if you've been following my information, you should know that utilization is key to skyrocket your credit score because it changes from month to month. So this is an opportunity to boost your credit score. Now, this is a subscription-based service, so you have 2 options. The first option is the Lite, and that's $4.99 per month, and it allows you to automatically bill credit with bills up to a $500 bill limit. You can create custom credit goals and credit reporting to Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, and Innovis. Now, with the Prime service, which is currently their premium service, for $9.99, you can automatically bill credit with bills up to $25,000. and credit building rewards, and they offer one-on-one credit counseling. So if you're looking to increase your credit score, this can be a great option because there is no credit check and you don't have to worry about a hard inquiry pull by using this service. Right now, they're offering a 30-day free trial. So if you want to check them out, I'll leave the links in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. So if you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section, or if it's more detailed and personal, you can reach me at my website and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.